Hey friends, this is my standing desk and I have this little Lifepro walking pad. Great opportunity to have some exercise while I'm working, but it is running a little bit crooked. As you can see, this pad is touching this side of the main unit. It's gotten off center. It should be in between this red line right there that I'm pointing at and another one that's located right here. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make some quick adjustments so we can get that running again. Now we're going to be using this little hex key that is included with the packaging when you first received it. And we're going to need to have this actually in the running mode. And we're going to need to have it going 2.5 miles an hour at a steady rate. So I'm actually going to let this go. See how to count down to 0. Let's go ahead and crank it all the way up to 2.5. And then we're going to be using the adjustment screws that are located on the back. Now, if this thing is running off center on the left, we're going to use the left adjustment screw located in this little slot right here. For us, because we're running off on the right, we're going to use this right adjustment screw located right here. So we're going to take this end of our little wrench, I'm going to stick it in here, and we're just going to give this a quarter turn in the clockwise direction. So as you can see, as I'm doing this, it moves the pad just a little bit. That's about a quarter turn right there. And then we need to let this run for roughly 2 minutes to see if it self-adjusts. If it doesn't self-adjust, we'll put our hex key in and we'll give it another quarter turn and then again test for 2 minutes to see. We can repeat this until our belt is aligned in the center. Now, as you can see, after a little bit of testing and a couple more turns, we're now in the center of these two red lines. And again, we'll just use it for a while to see how it adjusts. You may need to move these back and forth until we get it nice and centered. So hopefully that does help, friends. Again, it's fairly easy, but this does need a little bit of adjusting to make sure it works great for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of these DIY tutorial videos coming up really, really soon. See you on the next one.